Hi everybody, I'm Danny Dancer. I'm coming to you from Children's Museum Houston, and today I'm joined by my friend Amber. Amber, say hi to everybody at home.
Hi.
Amber, are you having a good summer?
Yeah.
So far? And what grade are you going to be in? I meant to do that. What grade are you going to be in next year?
Third grade.
In third grade. Awesome, awesome. Well, have you been to the museum before?
Yeah.
Have you been done these like kind of craft activities before?
Yeah.
Cool, awesome. So we've got a professional here showing us how to do this craft at home, which is good because it's a little bit of a complicated craft, but it's also a super awesome one. We are going to make Sonic party hats. That's right, Sonic the Hedgehog is going to be celebrated in a very fashionable way. Now, if you come visit us this week at the museum, we have these big blue sheets of paper that have printed on them all of the different pieces that you need to cut out. We have a headband, we have some different spikes, we have some ears. If you're doing this at home, these are really simple shapes to cut out. First thing we're going to do is just cut a couple of strips of paper that are each a couple of inches wide. We can tape them together to make a headband to go around our heads. So let's start with that. You grab your scissors, I'll grab mine, and we're going to cut out these two long strips that are labeled headband. They'll be very fashionable. And then I'll show you and our friends at home what we're going to do. We'll tape them together, wrap them around our head to make sure that it fits our head, and then tape the ends together to make a loop. Cool. All right, we have our headbands. We look cool. We could stop there, but I think we need to make this an actual party hat by adding those spikes. So what I have done here, I have drawn one really long spike. It's almost like a triangle, but it kind of curves the edges a little bit so that we can get kind of a mohawk look for our spikes for our hedgehog. And this first one, it needs to be a little bit bigger. You want to make sure that it's big enough that it'll reach all the way from the front of your crown here to the back. The other two can be a little bit smaller than that because we're just going to tape those onto the ends to sort of trail down our back. So our next step will just be to cut out these three spikes. Cool? All right, we'll take this off for now. All right, so the next thing we need to do is we want to take our top spike and we basically just want to attach it to the middle of our headband. So the easiest way to do that is if you take your scissors and you just cut up a little bit on both sides. So you're making a little slit. You can basically slide this right into your headband. And then to help hold it in place, we're just going to add some Scotch tape. Cool?
Yeah.
All right, you're already on this. You're doing great. I knew you were a professional crafter. This is fantastic. Cool, cool? That's good. I think we're good like that, actually. Because now what we're going to do, all right, we're going to take our next spike and we're going to tape it to the bottom of the first spike, just like this. And then the last spike tapes to the back of the middle spike. I got my spikes confused, but I think we know where we're going with this. Last step, we need to give him some ears, right? So we're just going to cut out a couple of triangles from our blue paper, and then so that we can have the ears like pop a little bit more, really be able to see them, we're going to add a lighter color to the inside. So I'm just going to cut out these 4 triangles. I'll glue the small ones inside the bigger ones, and then I'm going to tape them to the front of my headband, and these things, they'll be ready to wear. Are you ready to show off some really awesome fashion? Mm-hmm. I know, me too. All right, let's make this happen. Here we go. And we're done. It is our Sonic Party hats in full form. Check it out. We got to show the profile. Show the profile. Show the other direction so they can see all of the magnificent spikes. I know, this is not just a party hat. This is a fashion accessory. I think we are ready to show off how cool these are. Thank you so much, Amber. This is a little bit of a complicated craft. Like I said before, you were, in fact, a master at this. You did a great job. Give me some nooks. Very nice. Thank you very much for joining us on camera. Thank you to my friends at home. I hope you have fun making your Sonic party hats, and I hope we see you at the museum soon. Can we say bye?
Mm-hmm.
Bye!